It's the Wine Sisters on location. Hello from very windy Nicaragua. Today I am showing you what wines to bring to maximize your wine and cocktail success when traveling. Hello wine lovers, I'm Erin, the founder and chief sommelier here at the Wine Sisters, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the place where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. Now, I really hope you can hear me because I am on vacation in beautiful, sunny, and very windy Nicaragua. But today I was inspired to show you, because those of you who follow along on Instagram saw the wines that we brought and had a few questions about it. So I thought I'd do a longer video here. By the way, if you'd like to follow us on Instagram, it's at the Wine Sisters with underscores between the words, and you can find that in the link below. Now, when we travel, especially to places that aren't known for having a wide wine selection and the wines that are available are very expensive, like here in Nicaragua, we have developed a strategy over the years. Now, even if you're not coming to Nicaragua, we've deployed this strategy for Costa Rica, for certain Northern European countries that don't have a large wine producing nation. Hear that wind blow. But we've also used this for when we've gone to the cottage in Northern Ontario, because when you go to these cottage country locales that are fairly remote, you typically don't find really great or really diverse wine stores. So you can take this strategy and implement it wherever you go, whether it be camping, whether it be hiking, whether it be to other countries where maybe you're not sure what the wine and spirit selection will be like. All right, so this is the wine strategy that we've developed. Now, first and foremost, we find out how much wine and spirit we can bring into the country. And in Nicaragua's case, it is an outstanding 16 bottles. So much better than Ontario, where it's like 2 liters or 2 bottles or something. Anyway, so what we do, we pack very lightly and we pack very conservatively for our trip. We're down here for almost an entire month of February, and we get really, really granular and really discriminatory about what we're going to bring. Now, would I love to sit around and enjoy a fresh seafood dinner with a beautiful ice cold Chardonnay? Of course I would. Would I absolutely love to have a fresh grilled steak with a beautiful Chianti Classico? Absolutely, without a doubt. However, with only a 16 bottle limit, we had to get very specific, knowing full well that those 16 bottles wouldn't last us the entire month, and we would have to go out again and buy some more. But as I said, wines that are available here, as warm and hospitable as this country is, the wine selection isn't great, and wines that are available here, I don't know, what I could pick up in Ontario for 12 bottles a bottle, in some cases run as much as $50 a bottle. So it's really quite expensive. We're rosé lovers. We know that on average, every day here in Nicaragua, it's going to be about 30 degrees. It's very warm. We know we're eating an abundance of seafood. We know that we're eating some vegetarian dishes. And of course, there's going to be a little bit of grilled meats as well, but not very much. But we found that rosés for us, these are among our favorite wines. You can enjoy them on their own poolside, and they can go really flexibly with a lot of different dinners. Is it always going to be a home run pairing? Of course not. But when you have a limited resources, you've got to get really specific in what you're going to enjoy. So you can employ this even if you're not a rosé lover. Pick your favorite, what you think you and your group are going to like. Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay, Riesling, Shiraz. The dogs are now howling. Somebody really wants the Shiraz, obviously. Anyway, so that's one thing that we do. So we bring along, we max out on all of our suitcase, we max out our wine bottles. 16 bottles into the country, no problem. But now there are 5 people on vacation renting this house with me. We all go to the duty free before leaving Toronto, and we pick up our favorite spirits. Now we're big gin drinkers. You can see that I've got the empty bottle right here. So we really load up on gin, because gin and tonics by the pool, gin gimlets, can't really beat it. But we also pick up a little bit of tequila, because shockingly there really isn't that much tequila down here, and a little bit of the orange liqueur so we can make margaritas as well. Now while we're here, rum is very cheap. A 750 milliliter bottle is less than $10, so that's not something we needed to worry about. And friends, my last tip, we've learned this the hard way. We pack along plastic wine glasses. They weigh nothing, so you just chuck them in your suitcase and off you go. But we found that not only can you bring them along, to tote them along for a picnic on the beach or have them poolside and of course at your dinner table, but we also find more often than not, our rental homes don't have stemmed wine glasses. We like drinking wine out of stemmed wine glasses, and they either don't have enough or they don't have any at all. So we just sidestep the whole issue by bringing these along with us. Okay, friends, I hope you found those tips helpful. In a nutshell, you just need to load up your suitcases with the maximum amount of your favorite wine that the country you are traveling to will legally allow in, and of course pick up your spirits at the duty-free as well, so you can maximize your drinking success. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I promise I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you found this video helpful and you have any wine lovers and travel lovers in your life, send this to them as well and encourage them to subscribe, because we think that the world of wine is so much better when all of us are participating. Until next week, friends, I'm coming to you again from Nicaragua. I'm going to be showing you a delicious watermelon mint daiquiri. You won't want to miss it, so make sure you tune in next week for that. And until then, stay well, drink better.